Hello everybody. So we are checking out a new state park today. We're still a couple miles out, but this drive is just completely gorgeous. So I just thought I would take advantage of it and show you the way to Brunet Island State Park, which is located in the town of Cornell, Wisconsin. So, as you can see, most of the leaves are gone. And there she is. But that's okay. She's still offering a beautiful, beautiful drive. So, we're just going to kind of go through here and I'll give you the tour of the park. It's my first time being here, so we're just going to kind of explore it together. Over the river here. And we'll go left here. And wow, this is a really, really nice pretty well marked, which is always a good thing. This is pretty much a one-way route now. So the area on the left is just open for people who are walking or biking, just so that they have room, which is nice. To our left is a picnic area. And this place does have camping available. You hear in the background is Aria, who's anxiously awaiting for me to stop somewhere so that we can get out and enjoy the scenery on foot, and she can take advantage of this beautiful place as well, which we will do shortly. And there's a boat dock, some more campsites, I should say. Lots and lots of views of the lake, or of the river, I should say, not lake, river. Like for parking, it's kind of sporadic throughout, but there are areas various parking spots, which is nice. Just places to pull over and view the different areas of the river, which is always a good thing. Done the complete drive through Brunet Island State Park, which is so amazingly cool. So I am currently just going to pull over right here and pull up the map and find the trail that's going to take us across or along the river, and I will talk at you when I am there. Hey everyone, so I am at Brunet Island State Park in Wisconsin, and I just want to take this moment to say that we're on a trail called Spruce Trail. Fisher River is located right there, and I just kind of want to take this time to show you what this trail is looking like. A mess, a very confusing mess, and definitely a lot of caution needs to be taken when taking this trail and pretty much any trail of the state parks that I have been to and have shared with you guys. I mean, COVID has definitely done its thing on the state parks, not giving enough, not having people able to work the parks just for their safety and for the safety of others. So a lot of the trails look like this only because of numerous people walking through here. You kind of know where the trail is. I actually thought we lost it just a few feet back, but thankfully with this trail, it follows the river, the Fisher River, so it's not going to be that difficult to get lost or get back to the car. But it's just something to take in consideration when you are out and about on these trails, especially this time of year, and with all of the work that needs to be done for cleanup and pickup. It's definitely going to be a while before these trails are in better condition, but as long as you're careful, cautious, and aware of your surroundings, it's all doable and it's all very fun and worth checking out. So I will talk to you guys again when we are back at the car, and there's one more section of this park I'm going to show you, which is the North Campground, and that actually goes out onto the island, so we'll definitely check that out. And it looks like we're coming up to some people and they have a dog, so now let the real fun begin. All right everyone, we're back in the car, and the couple, well, the person that I met had had a barely 1-year-old golden. So that was cool to meet. Puppy. So this is the North Campground and actually the island part of Brunet Island. So we're just going to take a little drive through here before we leave the park altogether, and hopefully there will be a point where we can get a good view of the Chippewa River, which is on the left. Or we may just have to pretend that we're camping and just pull into a camping spot. Won't be the first time I've done that. She is up ahead. Chippewa River. And we get to cross the bridge. Back here, I will say. There's a lot more back here than what I thought there would be, but definitely a lot of camping spots. And the best part is that there's like water views pretty much everywhere you look. Like, it is without a doubt an island. The North Loop, guys. We are now back at the main entrance, which is kind of cool, I gotta say. So yeah, not too many views of the Chippewa River to pull over, so but still you get a little view of it, and that's cool. And we got to see a lot of Fisher River. So that is it for Brunet Island State Park. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk at you at the next state park. Bye.